Hello, my friends, and welcome back. We are here, another video of Teens Time Off, and today we are bringing you a special video because it's a meditation. So it's nighttime outside, it's nice and quiet, and we all know that we can do meditations at any point during the day, but it's kind of nice to do it at the end of the day when you're just starting to unwind. So that's what today's going to be. So first, I will invite you to find a comfy spot in your house, and that could be just sitting right on your bed. I'm sitting in a cozy corner in my living room. I love this chair. It's very comfortable. If you are feeling maybe a little anxious today, if you were feeling a little frazzled, then it might be a good idea to sit on the ground. You can sit crisscross on the ground, you can sit on your knees on the ground, but sometimes just feeling that ground underneath you makes you feel like you're a little more supported than usual. So that's an idea that you can try. So go ahead and play. You can press pause if you need to find a cozy spot, and then when you're ready, you can just go ahead and press play. But we're gonna go ahead and begin. So first thing I'll do is I'll invite you to take a few deep breaths in. Usually 3 nice long deep breaths is just about right to get us to a nice calm state. So I'm going to take a nice deep breath in through my nose. I'm going to hold it, just a nice gentle hold without straining too much, and then gently release. Exhale. And we'll do that 2 more times. Deep breath in. Fill your belly with air. Feel your belly expand. Nice gentle hold. Don't let it go yet. And then gently exhale. Great. And we'll do that 1 more time. Here we go. Biggest breath of all. Take a lot of breath in. Fill your belly with air. And gently exhale. Now I invite you, if your eyes are not already closed, you can go ahead and close them now. And today what we'll do is we're going to do a body scan. We're going to go ahead and start with our feet. I want you to check in with your feet for a moment. You can wiggle your toes if you need to. But check in and see how your feet are feeling. How are your toes feeling today? Are they hurting? Are they feeling great, like they supported you all day? Did you run a lot? Maybe walk some around your neighborhood. Then slowly we're going to move our focus up to our ankles. How are your ankles feeling today? You might want to rotate your ankles if you feel like you need to check in that way. And send some love down to your ankles and just thank them for supporting the rest of your body and for helping you move your feet. And then go ahead and let's move the focus up to our knees. Let's send some love to our knees. Thank them for all the steps that we took today, all the times we sat crisscross, all the times we were able to sit up or sit down. And just check in with your knees and see how they're feeling. Well, let's go ahead and move our focus up to our hips. Let's check in with our hips for a moment. Such an important part of the body. How are your hips feeling? Connects the lower half and the top half of your body. It also holds your sacrum. Which is a very important part of the body. So just check in here for a moment. And let's send a little love to our hips. Just take a deep breath in, filling your belly with air and sending all that air into that part of your body, your hips. All right, let's go ahead and move our focus up to our chest. Our chest, such an important part of the body. It's right where your heart resides. So let's take a moment here to breathe into our heart space. Take a deep breath in, sending lots of love right there. And check in with your heart. How are you feeling today? How was today for you? Was it a day where you felt full of love? Was it a day where you gave a lot of love? Check in with yourself for a moment. And then let's go ahead and move our focus up to our head space. And that includes our mouth, our nose, our eyes, and the crown of your head. Just check in with our head for a moment. You can move it around if you feel that you need to. Just kind of rotate your head from right side to left side. You can nod up and down. How is this part of your body feeling? Think of all the amazing things that you saw today. Think of all the amazing words, the loving words that you were able to use. Think of all the smells you must have experienced in your house or right outside your house. And of course, send a lot of love to your mind, to your brain, that helps to put all your wonderful ideas into action as you plan how you are going to implement your amazing creativity. Let's take a deep breath in and go ahead and send lots of love right into this headspace. And let it go. Remembering that it's the end of the day and we're letting go of anything that no longer serves us. When you are ready, you can wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. And very gently open your eyes, taking your time. All right. So that was a special meditation, and that is called a body scan. And you can probably find lots of different examples of body scans if you look online. But a body scan is just basically a way for you to check in with your body physically, but also emotionally and spiritually. So you can do this at any point of the day. Teens, I hope you are having a fantastic week. I cannot wait to check in with you again next week. Love you lots. Remember, Teens Time Off is an opportunity for us just to kind of check in with each other. And I hope these videos are a lot of fun for you. See you soon. Bye.